Now we're going to go through the construction of our PicoMiniCUBE in the enclosure. So first of all, what we need to understand is that this circuit board here has two sides to it. Okay, it has the sides where the LEDs go, and this helps us also to construct our layers to get them absolutely perfect. And we have the side where all the components go. So it's a little bit awkward if you don't understand there's an order in how to do this. First of all, we have to pre-make the top two layers. The top two layers are the ones that are going to make it look nice, okay, and rigid. We'll do that. In this video we'll have three parts, so we'll make the top two layers. We'll also solder all the components on one side, and then we put it through up to the base, and we solder the layers to the base. At that point we can test it and we can make sure it works, and then we assemble the rest of the base and the enclosure around the PicoMiniCUBE.